Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Santosh. Today I am going to show you how you can prove your English proficiency if you are planning to come to UK on either study visa or work visa. In this channel, we are sharing a lot of information about immigration to UK, and we are helping people who want to immigrate to UK and either with family or they wanted to come alone. There is lot many videos are there on this YouTube channel. So please subscribe us and you will get a lot of information regarding the immigration to UK. Also, you can share your comments if you have any doubt related to moving to UK, and we will ensure to resolve your problem if we can. With that, let's jump into our topic for today. So, if you are coming to UK for study or for work, it is very much necessary to prove your English proficiency because UK is a English speaking country. They want the people who are coming for study or work to be proficient in English language so they can communicate well with the people here. And for that, for a student and for work people, there is one most important criteria is proving English proficiency. Now I just moved 6 months back here, and because of that, I have gone through that process. So I can share with you some information how I proved my English proficiency. So there is two ways to prove your English proficiency. First one is giving some exams which proves English proficiency, which includes IELTS exam or TOEFL exam. And some other exams as well, but most common exam is IELTS exam, and those English exam will test your English proficiency in terms of reading, listening, writing and speaking abilities. Those exams, for example in IELTS, you have to book your exam, you have to prepare for your exam. Each of these exam have different examination syllabus and different examination style. So it is very much important you should gather all that information. You should prepare beforehand because the amount of fees they it is required to pay before giving exam is huge. So no one want to waste their money and giving examination without preparation. So first of all, you have to prepare, and there is a lot many online courses also available if you want to do, or also books are available, so you can prepare thoroughly and then go for exam. Now there is another way to prove your English proficiency. So for example, if you already studied your bachelor's or master's in English language from countries like India or some other countries, you have to prove that your degree or master's degree has been taught in English, and it is equivalent to UK's degree or postgraduate course. And that you can do by applying for one certification which is called as NARIC certification. So the I'm going to show you full process in this video, how you can apply for that, what would be the process, and process time, and how much cost it will take. So we will see everything on the website how you can apply. Also, I'm going to share a link of the website in the below description. So now we are going to see how you can show English proficiency by using NARIC certificate, and a NARIC certificate is also called as a ECCTIS certificate. So ECCTIS is generally an UK based organization. What they do is they provide services to international student about certifying whether their degree is equivalent to UK degree or not. And this is what we are going to see here, how to apply for this certificate and what are the step-by-step process for that. Also, we are going to see how we can how much time it will take and what will be the cost. So here you need to search ECCTIS. So it will take you to this website, and once you go to this website, it will show some background information about what services they provide, visa and nationality services they are providing, and also some UK Center for Professional Qualifications and kind of thing. So what we need to do is we need to first of all make an account. So we have to go to this register icon. So here we are going to register ourselves. In register, you can see, you can make your title. For example, I'll write this title, I'll write my name, I'll write surname, then I'm going to write my email ID. I'm going to hide this part, and I'm going to finally, so you are going to put here email ID, you are going to put your date of birth, then you are going to select here nationality. If you are Indian or you are any other citizen, you can select this. Does the qualification holder have refugee status? If you are not refugee, you can select no. Then purpose of inquiry, so you need to select here for which purpose you are inquiring. So probably you can select visa and nationality, this one. Also you can select field of interest, so whether so for example, I will select science and mathematics, and you can just put your password here. And after that, once you click on registration, there will be that one email will be sent to on your email ID, and you have to verify that link. After that, you can log in from here. I have already logged in for this, so I'm going to directly log in and going to show you how you can proceed for application of this NARIC certification. So let's go to sign in, and again I'm going to hide this part. So now we came to this place, and we got already our login done. Now we can see there is some notification that there is holidays in UK. So during this period they will not proceed your applications, and it might delay some notification they have give now. So now you have to have you will have different options. So check which service you will need. So you can read some more thing about, if you are student, what you I want to be a student, and you can it will give some more information. If you are a worker, then what kind of service you need, and kind of thing. Then now let's go to the start your application. So here there is different this form you have to fill. So you need to first fill services part, then you need to fill your qualification part, then you need to fill your contact details, and then how you want delivery, whether you want it from with the like email, or you want physical delivery of document, that you can select. And finally it will be summary, and it will complete your form. So for example, let's start with the visa and nationality application. So we want, and it will show 5 services available. So if you want to show your English proficiency, it will you can use this. Also you can show your PhD verification, and you can use it for both PhD verification as well as English proficiency as well. Now continue service selection. You are going to use it for visa and nationality and only English proficiency. So we are going to select this one, and we'll proceed for next step. Here select nationality, so I'm going to select India. Then you please select immigration route. So for example, if you are coming on student route, you can select student. I will say skilled worker visa, so I have selected that. After submission, it will come to this page. So it will ask you what service you want. So they have different services based on the duration of time it takes. So standard duration is 10 working days, and it will cost you 140 pound plus VAT. There is also other option if you need document urgently. So there is a fast track option. With that you will get get your document within 1 or 2 working days. And for that, it will you have to give some additional money. For example, if you ask for fast track services, it will cost you 314 pound, if you want document within 24 hours. And if it is okay, you can, means if it is okay and you want to take within 2 days, like within 48 hours, you have to pay 64 pound plus VAT. So let us select standard first, and generally they give within that time document. So continue selection, and so we have selected this option. We'll go to next step. Now here you need to enter your qualification details. So you can enter your qualification details. So for example, what is your qualification title? So I can say B Farm. Then you can select your institute. For example, I can select here Pune University. Then country of qualification, so you can select India. And after that, year of award, you can select I can select 2012. Then language of document, so you have to select if which language is it. So for example, my language is in English, so I will select other. And one more thing to for everyone, if your language in your certificate, degree or your qualification certificate is different than English, you need a translation copy here. So you need to upload that translation copy. Now I have added this, and we'll go to next. If you have some extra additional qualification, you can add here. Otherwise, we will go to next step. You will add documents here. So what documents you will need? So let's see. So for example, you will need full transcript. Means full transcript means if you have different semester in your degree, from first semester to 8th semester, or if you have only 4 year certificates, you will need all document to be scanned in one PDF, and you can upload that over here. If you have separate documents, you need to combine those PDFs, and you can upload that here. Then final degree certificate. So for if you did your degree of 4 years, then you will have degree certificate that you can upload here. And if it is then another translation requirement. So if your degree is in another language, then you need to have a degree translated in English, and you can upload that here. Another important certificate or another important document you need to take from your institute or from your university is medium of instruction. So this is the document which will be a proof of the language which you have taught, that subject has been taught. So for example, my degree was in English, so I uploaded, I have taken one document from my college, on college on college letterhead, and with the principal stamp that I have studied that 4 year course in English. And so its medium of instruction was English, so that document you have to take. Then if your name has been changed, so you need that proof of name changed also here. With this application we will proceed, and I'm not adding now documents, but we'll go to next step. So once you apply this all the documents, it will take you to next step. And here you will fill some contact details, your address, your mobile number. And after that, application will be submitted. After you submit application, within given period of time, that document will be ready, and you will get notification with email, as well as you can see in delivery status where is your document. And additionally, what you can do, additionally you can check your status or messages here, and also order status also. So for example, it will show what service you have requested, and what is order status. Now we just filled the form and we haven't uploaded document, that's why it shows document required and awaiting information. Once you fill that, it will show document uploaded or information completed, and then once you do payment, then it will show payment received. After completion of all those things, and once you get the document, you have to download from again this portal. And if you haven't requested hard copy delivery, so once you get this soft copy, you can download from this portal. And so this is all about how you can get NARIC certificate. This will be valid for lifetime, so afterwards you don't need to give any IELTS exam or anything to prove your English proficiency. So this is all about application and getting certification of NARIC here. So if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe our channel. That motivates us to create this content and to help you. If you have any questions related to skilled worker visa or student visa or immigration to UK, please do write in the comment box and we will get back to you with the responses. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.